28 April 2021 Morning Murli. Om Shanti. Bap Dada Madhuban. Essence. Sweet children, only with yoga will the alloy in your souls be removed. You will then receive your full inheritance from the Father. Therefore, increase your power of yoga as much as possible. Only through yoga, Baba is saying, our alloy that is present in our souls can be removed. So we have to do as much yoga as possible. Question. The action of deities were elevated. Why have everyone's action now become corrupt? When deities were there, they were so elevated and their actions were too. Why our actions have become corrupt? Answer is because they have forgotten their original religion. Because of forgetting their religion, the action they perform are corrupt. As they have forgotten their religion, the action that they are performing is corrupt. The Father gives you the understanding of your true religion. Together with that, He also tells you the history and geography of whole world, which you have to relate to everyone else. Give everyone the true introduction of the Father. Blessing. May you receive a passport of contentment from everyone by passing with honor as a jewel of contentment. Baba is saying, may you receive a passport of contentment from everyone by passing with honor as a jewel of contentment. Meaning, the children who are always content with themselves, with their efforts, their service, and their connection with the Brahmin family are called jewels of contentment. Those who are victorious in keeping themselves and others content while in connection with all souls are the ones who become the rosary of victory. In order to pass with honors, you need to have a passport of contentment from everyone, and in order to claim this passport, simply imbibe the powers to tolerate and accommodate. So, how can we get the passport of contentment? By imbibing the power of toleration and accommodation. Slogan. Be merciful, and by serving disheartened and tired souls, give them support. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba, for such blissful world.